Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get this video started, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button. I'm showing you here on a Ford tractor, a 2000, where the battery is located, this particular one, and things you might check if you're having trouble starting your tractor. If it doesn't want to crank over at all, some common issues that you might check. One, make sure your battery doesn't have any corrosion on the terminals, and make sure your ignition wire is making good contact. This one actually is making contact. They wedged it in between there on this customer's tractor, and then the ground wire here, as you can see, but it's in there, it's making contact. But another common problem you might have is that if you turn the key and it ain't doing nothing, check your electronic ignition module. And like I said, then you have to have both gears for your transmission. Your gear shifter, which is right here, you got to have it in neutral, and then your high-low gear, you got to have it in neutral as well. And of course, you know, a lot of people choke out, you know, throttle off, and then crank the key over and it'll fire up. If not, the tractor will not start. I said then I'd go with me, check your battery connections, make sure you got a good ground on the engine right here on the back side, coming out the battery. If you do, go with your ignition module. I said that's your common problems why your tractor won't start. So hopefully this was helpful to you all. And I do a few other videos on this tractor because we're doing a lot of services to it and grease fittings and whatnot. But I hope y'all find this video useful. As like I said, why your tractor may not start on you, or you know, why it won't crank over and won't start up. Hopefully y'all find this video useful. Smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. Y'all have a great day.